Hey, hi everyone. So, candidates, welcome to the 71st live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel. And today also I am going to update you about batch 7, batch 8 or batch 9, which is going to start from 10th of June, 11th of June and 12th of June. Okay, so I'll giving you update of these things only. So I request everybody to join this live session and you can ask your queries related to the batches. First, confirm me, am I audible or not? Hey, thank you, others, for joining this. Okay, guys, I'll today I'll directly taking your questions. As I do it, I take questions. Okay, so I request, and we are going to wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. Let's everybody join this live session, right? So, am I audible, others? Am I audible, others? Okay, good. So yes, so we'll be waiting for another 3 to 4 minutes. So let everybody join this live session, and then I'll tell you more about the upcoming batches, guys. Okay. Uh, okay, guys. So let's start this live session. Yep. So let me know, others, if you are able to see my screen. Can you confirm me? Are you able to see my screen? Okay. Thank you for confirming me, others. Okay. So yes. So candidates, you can see here uh, to join these upcoming batches, right? So what you need to do, so you need to go to abross.com, abhrosh. Even if you're not, see, this is already available in Google as well. So what you need to do, just go to Google, type abhrosh, right? So this is our official website, registered under MCA and MSME also. Okay, so this is purely official website. So even if you search, you are going to get the first like this only, and on all of my videos. And my special suggestion to all of you, right? So guys, please do not go anywhere. If you are, I can see recently I came across few of the candidates who have been trying to reach out to me, and they were telling, sir, we bought this, so I'm not sure, right? there are few things happening with me also, because there are so many frauds or fraudsters are available in the market, who is ready to do fraud, who is ready to do scam with my videos. Okay, but they cannot do it because since it's a legal entity. Okay, and everywhere my this logo is there in my videos also, right? But if you see anywhere, if you are trying to buy from somewhere else and all, okay, so it's not my video. Okay, somehow they got it few or some part of it. Okay, but you are not going to get the full content of it. Okay, so this is my suggestion, guys. So if you have to join my batches or to buy any of my services, or to go for the appointments, or you wanted to buy the videos, okay, you have to come to abros.com. This is the official website. Else my channel is there, and in my channel there is some subscription. You have to go through the subscription, then only you will get the access of my videos, my content. And in Instagram, and my official Instagram is, it's already, wherever you see it's official, my Instagram account is there. I have a official YouTube account is there. Else I'm not running any channel apart from this channel. Okay, so even if you go to Google, okay, I would suggest in Google also, if you type this one, this is right, Abhishek Roshan, right? If you see, you come see here, so you can see Abhishek Roshan, right? So this is the official channel of where it is written Abrosh also, because Abrosh is the company name. It's a legal entity. It is registered under Ministry of Common Affairs, right? So you have to go through this only, and here only. And these are my shorts channel, but normally I am 100% active in this account only, in this channel only. All of my videos, right, and my community post, if you want to see the latest update from me, right, so you have to go to my posts. Okay, this is what my post is all about the recent batches. And my LinkedIn account is there. My suggestion to all of you, recently I came across there is unauthorized access has been gained by few of the I cannot blame immediately, okay, by the hackers, okay, of my company, I would say LinkedIn page. Okay, so my account is there directly, LinkedIn page is there, right? So that has been, so anyways, I have escalated to LinkedIn, and mostly will be getting our access back. Okay, so and we have secure everything in our LinkedIn for our LinkedIn page. But again, I am telling you, if you have to land to the most secure, okay, and the official website, then you have to come to this abroad.com for all of our services, end to end services. If you want to go through our end to end services, then you have to come to this abroad.com, right? And if you want to know any updates, okay, that I am updating to my candidate, that you are going to get it in my YouTube channel community post. Okay, you see, I am keep on updating this community post for the upcoming batches. So it's hardly 3 days left. So these posts are done by me only. Nobody else is doing. This is purely secure channel. It's my channel. Okay, and this is the channel name, Engineer Abhishek Roshan. You either you type this name, you are going to get, there are few other Abhishek also, so I'm not going into that one. Don't get misguided. Okay, so this is the official channel, and this is my, I have given company name. Okay, Abrosh Technology Services LLP. Even if you go and search in Google, you will come to know about Abrosh all details. See, it's registered under MCA. Everything detail you can see it. You can go to MCA portal also, Ministry of Common Affairs, and there also you can search about our company. Everything is legal entity. Everything is official over here. So if you want to get the benefit, okay, of all the content of all the services, and if you want to schedule appointment, And if you only need videos, then you have to come to abros.com, guys. This is first and most important information I am just giving to most of you. So please make sure you should not go to any, I don't have any other official website. Okay, I don't have, see, this is the name which is registered only. Okay, I have other websites that is for job, you know, fresher tube, right? Okay, that is my website only, but that is not the company. Okay, the company website is this only, right? We have other websites, other products also. Those are the products of Abrosh Technology Service LLP. Okay, but the official website is abrosh.com only. Official channel is this only. And the official Instagram, okay, account is this only. You can see, you have to go to engineer Abhishek Roshan. Okay, this is my Instagram account. We have a official Facebook page also, so it's there. But for the updates, again, for the community updates, the posts and all which I am keep on updating, that I am mainly updating through my YouTube channel post only. So you have to go to the post section and you have to see what latest update I am doing and what is coming, right? So if you want to know all those updates, you have to come to first here. Even I am not telling you to go to LinkedIn. Okay, so this is the from day one only when I started. So all of my community post I am doing over here only. So all live updates, the current updates, you have to go through my channel only, that is engineer Abhishek Roshan, right? And the company name is Abrosh, which is registered entity. Okay, so you can come, you can see it from here. That's it, guys. Okay, so and in Google just go and type, it's from my name only, you know, Abhishek Roshan, right? So I have taken ABH, the first three letters, and then ROSH of my name, Roshan. Okay, so it become Abrosh. It has a specific meaning, you can search from there, guys. Okay, so this is, you are going to find out, and you just simply type Abrosh. You can see Abrosh Technology Service LLP. Okay, it's LLP, right? So what you need to do, just click on this one, right? You can directly redirecting it to my website only. Okay, this is the official website where you can see it, right? Now, so the next thing is, guys, what all things we are providing. Since most of you are already aware that I am starting 3 new batches. Where is the announcement? Where is the update? So the same update you are going to get in my portal also. Through my channel also you are going to get, and through my portal also you are going to get. You see what I have written over here. Batch 7, batch 8, or batch 9 admission open, means obviously there is something which is upcoming. So this is the home page. So come, scroll down, see this view, you can get it in desktop only or in your laptop only. But if you are accessing my website through the what, through the mobile app, okay, through the mobile and all, then the view will be completely different, guys. Okay, so you have to make sure the view should be like, if I do it, so in this one just try to understand. This is why I just wanted to make it, those who are accessing through mobile, okay, they can see it like this. They are going to see not the upcoming here. So in the mobile view it is different, and in the desktop view it is different. See here, in the desktop view, first in the home page you are going to see the upcoming batches. But in the mobile view, when I am going to do this one, the details of upcoming batches you need to scroll, because popular services will come first. Okay, after that you have another section, one time appointment. This is another section. Okay, then the third section is popular videos, and then finally upcoming batches will be the ongoing batches, and at the bottom you are going to get the upcoming batches in mobile. So I request everybody, those who are accessing my portal through mobile app, okay, through the mobile, Android, iOS, or anything, please scroll down to the bottom. Then only you will be able to see the upcoming batches. Or also, if you want to access, do you see this hamburger menu? So just click on this one. So here also you can see batches are there, services are there, appointments are there, and videos are there, right? So I am just telling you how to navigate through the website, so you should not be confused. Okay, so please make sure, if you are connecting through the mobile, okay, whether it's a Android, iOS, right, then you should go to directly, if you want to know all about what service, what things we are providing in our portal. So click on this hamburger menu, see what is the, if you wanted to know more about the batches, then click on these batches. You will be able to see all, means all will be upcoming batches, ongoing batches, and completed batches. So obviously, if you are a new candidate, or you are already connected to me through my YouTube channel, then you have to see the upcoming. So if you wanted to know what is upcoming, which is going to start, from after just 2 to 3 days only, hardly. Okay, so you see here in the upcoming, Linux and Bash IT Corporate Bootcamp batch 9 is going to start, right, 11th of June, right, and the language, it's going to be English. It is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Friday. For more detail, just click on this one. You can get the free detail. Anyways, it's here. It's, you can go through this one. If you wanted to know more about the course curriculum and all, you have to scroll down. See here only, you will be going to get all the details of that one, the batch duration, the terms and condition. My request is that you should read that same terms and condition. You are going to find out in the bot, in the footer also. Okay, you see here the terms and condition, you need to click on this one. For batches, there is a specific terms and condition, guys, okay, which you need to read it. Now, as I said, you wanted to know what all things we are going to cover, how the batches are conducted. Okay, so you need to click on this curriculum. Okay, and even what I have done basically, so do you see this lock symbol over here, this lock symbol, the lock icon, right? So these are the logged. Okay, obviously there is no video, but especially since most of you are asking, sir, can we have a demo class, or sir, can we have a webinar? So guys, I am very clear, very transparent, what with my content, okay, and with my way of teaching. Okay, I don't conduct any demo classes, I don't conduct any webinars. Instead of that, what I have done is that I have uploaded just previous batch videos to this batch, which is going to start from 11th of June, so of day 0 and day 1. So what normally others do, so they will just conduct a 15 minutes or 1 hour of class, and that is mixed, they don't tell anything. But if you go to this course curriculum and mandatory terms and conditions, this is day 0 of batch 6, which I have uploaded over here. Okay, of same thing I have taught to them, right, during the live interactive classes. You just click on this one and just go through the video. Everything will be crystal clear to you. There should not be a single doubt once you go through first video and even the second video. These are almost 1 hour videos are there. I have openly, it's a public for everyone. You will come to know my way of teaching, my content, and even what you are going to learn for next 3 months in this Linux and Bash IT corporate bootcamp batch 9. Simple and easy, no complications, guys. Okay, and then you can go ahead and enroll into this one. But again, I am telling you, if you have still doubts, same thing for not only for batch 9, but it is also for batch 7, that is for your AWS. See here, for batch 7, same way I have uploaded there also 1 to 2 videos. You can go through that one, you will come to know, right? For DevOps also 1 to 2 videos I have uploaded already over here. The access will be here, you can go and you can see and then decide. But still, if you have any confusion, okay, my suggestion is that first you register to my portal. Okay, my suggestion is that you see there is a register now button. See, click here, register yourself, right? Register yourself, and at the bottom you see if you are connecting through mobile. Okay, so see there is a icon, this icon, right? So in this icon, what you need to do, you need to submit your message. Okay, how it's look like, I'll show you 1 second. Right, so just click on this one, you see this one. So please, once I am, why I am asking you, you should mention, you should register. Okay, because if you continue as a guest, we cannot handle, right? So you are not giving any information, how can we reach out to you? Okay, or you are able to clear your doubts, but anyways it's fine. Okay, so my special suggestions to you, first you registered yourself. Once you registered, okay, directly, or if you have not registered, right, what you need to do, just click on this one, right? Just click here, even you can register yourself. Okay, and then submit your query. This is my request to all of you. Please understand, without your information, how even I can reach out to you, or even my team members can reach out to you. Okay, so randomly if you are coming, right, even without any information, nobody can reach out to you or clear your doubts. That's what I'm telling you. First registered with free, this is not chargeable, nothing, right? It's a pure freely. Okay, just register yourself. Okay, and then submit your query, right? This is my suggestion to all of you, right? Please do this one, right? For example, I am just you can go ahead with that one. You can see, right? You can register yourself and you can submit your query, correct? This is the way only I can reach out to you, or my team members will reach out to you. Okay, and we can clear your doubts before joining these upcoming batches. Okay, so this is all about the batches, guys, right? So how you can join the upcoming batches, right? So batch 7 is for AWS. These all are, first of all, live interactive classes. Okay, now another doubt will be there, if it is live interactive classes, sir, so are we going to get the videos? Yes, boss, obviously 100%. How can, if you are only joining, so how can a person, suppose he is not able to, just might be, so most of you are not, right? It's not the case that everybody is fresher. Okay, he is available all the day, no. So there are candidates who are working professional, there are candidates who are working in shifts and all, right? So I have, that is there. Okay, so you no need to worry about that one, because once we conduct the classes are getting recorded, and those videos will be uploaded. This is how I have uploaded, right? For the, even if you go to this batch 7 also, which is going to start from 10th of June. So you can see I have uploaded a video of the previous batch. How I am able to do it? Okay, obviously those batches, even the live interactive classes are getting recorded, and those videos will be uploaded over here only. So in your batch also, when the classes will be live interactive classes, so it will be getting recorded, and as per the SLA or the time, which there is a specific time within 24 hours, those videos will be available over here only. Immediately finishing your class, from that time to 24 hours, that will be there in your invoice also. Don't worry, everything is written in your terms and condition. Small thing, everything, whatever I am telling, and you should not be worry of that one, right? How many years of access, sir, we are going to get it for this one? That is also mentioned in your invoice. Okay, that these videos which is going to uploaded over here, once the classes will be finished, okay, same day only. It's not like that today the live classes will be finished, okay, day like on premises infrastructure explanation, so after 10 days, no boss, it's not like that. Within 24 hours the video will be available here only, and you should be able to go through the videos. So candidates who are working in shifts or who is not able to join the batches due to some reason, any reason, it could be any reason, personal, emergency, professional, anything, I can understand because I have gone through the same phase, right? Then you are going to get the video. Even it's not only the video, the documents, okay, what we are going to provide, that also will be uploaded over here also. You can go through at any point of time, right? So what doubt will be there? So doubt will be simple, sir. Okay, so this is a class live yes, it's a live interactive classes will be there every day. So where we are going to get all the communication. So once you buy this live interactive classes, you will be added to a group, and in that group only all the links, URLs, every detail will be published to you. Okay, so you no need to worry of anything. Okay, now, so how many days the batches will run for this one? For AWS it is going to take 2 months. That is what for this live. And sir, what we are going to get in this one? So you are going to get a live support. Live support means what? During these 2 months, until unless the batch will be finished, maybe it will be finished 1 month and like 10 days, 1 month and 20 days, but this is the maximum duration, this is the duration we need to provide, right, officially. So that is the duration to finish this AWS IT corporate bootcamp, right? So that is 2 months, 60 days, right? So in working days, how many working days will be there? 22 days in 1 month. All of you are aware, you have already working into IT industry, right? 22. So if it is Monday to Friday, just calculate 22 days, right? So if it is like that, so this is why according to that, as per my previous experience, the date has been, the time has been decided over here, that how much time it will take for AWS to finish. So, and in between might be some emergency leave or a personal leave, we don't know, right? There are some public holidays are there. So there are all, considering all those scenarios, right? Maximum 2 months we have given to finish the batch of AWS, right? So that is there, and during these 2 months only you are going to get the live support. Means if you have any doubts, it is the case, right? Suppose today I have taught AWS account creation, cloud computing and cloud models, right? Or I have taught about networking concept. During the class you are not able to understand, okay, because time, class is a limited time, only 1 hour, or it could be extended to 1 hour 10 minutes and all. So it is a limited time, so I cannot take questions from all the candidates, right? So this is why we are giving live support to the candidates, that after finishing the class, once the video will be uploaded within 24 hours, okay, you should go, there will be one to one also. So once you buy, you will be added and you can ask your queries from that portal only. That view also you can do it, okay, that is also possible. Okay, for that I can show you 1 second. See here, once you, for example, I'm just telling you for this one, okay, so there will be a group. So if you are batch 7, okay, so once you buy, right, the same course, so from your backend, means from your candidate dashboard, how it's look like. So in your profile, see, you need to click on this one. So you need to click on my services and it will look like, so for you only, for this is only for live interactive classes, not any other services. This is not for services, this is not for appointment, this is not for video. We are only providing for the batches who are joining live interactive classes. For them we are giving live support. What is this live support? So see, this is a group, right? You can see you will be added to a group like this, so all the information will be published. This is a read only group, guys. So you will be added to this one. So all the information for like batch 5, all the information will be here only, right? So same way your batch, you are going to get the information like this only, right? And for if you want to have queries and questions, okay, then how you are going to ask to me or to my team? So see, directly there will be a brush. Okay, this is team a brush. You need to click on this one. You see we are available, and please make sure you should send your queries. You can ask at any point of time, it's not a mandatory, but we will be available from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Same thing you are going to get in your invoice also. Okay, so you ask your queries. I have a doubt, like I have a doubt. Okay, correct. So you ask like this, I wanted to know about this one. You have explained about subnets and all, but I am not able to understand what this is all about. Okay, so here the questions, the queries should be specific to your topic. What I have taught yesterday, right? That has to be here only, right? So you have to ask that. So that those questions and queries you have to ask like this, right? One to one. So this is simple and easy. What is wrong? This is called live support, and this will be given to you until when? This will be given to you for that 2 months of duration. That is what, guys. But the video access what you are going to get, that will be valid for batches for 3 years. Okay, so this is not, don't see verbal communication. Just take my words, guys. Verbal communication, don't go ahead with the verbal communication, but most important is that where it is written. You ask, sir, where it is written. You are telling 3 years you are giving access. Okay, so boss, whatever I am telling, it is 100% as it is true in my portal. Go to these terms and use. Okay, and here just go to this batches agreement. Okay, it is there. I cannot deny. Okay, it is there. You go ahead and read it. How many years of access you are going to get? Everything. What is the refund policy? What is the video content policy? What is the ownership copyright? Say everything is written over here. You see here everything. What it is written here, right? So queries must be sent one to one, right? That is what just now I have shown you. Live support is available 10 a.m. to everything. It is written, guys, and same thing it's going to be your invoice also, right? I make things very transparent and clear. There is nothing which is hidden. Okay, see here all the batches, no classes. See, access validity 3 years as mentioned on the payment receipt. So it is same thing. These terms and condition is going to be in your invoice. Okay, so the video you are going to get access. You should not come. No, sir, you told live. Arey boss, where it is written lifetime? So don't make something from your mind. No, we run with some ethics, with values, with terms and condition, right? So that has to be common across everybody. It is not the case that for one candidate I am giving something, for other candidate no. It has to be like today one candidate came and he was asking, sir, give me the discount. Sir, see why you are special for me? No, I treat everybody as a single. All are equal. Equality, right? That is what our uh, this thing is also right in our constitution, right? So equality is there, right? So how can I give to you some discount and some other candidates I should not give the discount? So if it is mentioned anything, see, if I have to give discount, then it should be for everyone, and we have already reduced our price so that maximum candidates should get benefit out of it. Okay, so this is all about, guys, upcoming batches. Now if you are already expert, right, with the topics, you are already expert in Linux and bash, you are already expert with AWS, and you are already expert with all DevOps tool, all the projects, right? You are mastermind. Okay, so my suggestion is that you are just need a, I would say, guidance kind of thing. No, so what sort of a question should be asked in the interview? So for that also, under services, I have provided that one. What is there? Linux interview question and answer, AWS interview question and answer, DevOps interview question and answer. These are the interview question and answer. Okay, and this is my experience, and I used to get it from different candidates also. Okay, and since I have taken more than 300 plus interviews, okay, those things only I have put in the form of this interview question and answer, right? So what question could be asked to you, right? Before, like if anybody will prepare for IIT JE, okay, or if anybody is preparing for any exam and all, NEET and all, so they will prepare the previous question bank, right? So same thing here, I would say, what I have already experienced during my career. Those are the, or I used to ask to my means my, when I was working for Accenture or all my previous organization, during that time when I was in technical panel, I used to take interviews, questions as per that experience, and the questions, because I have so many candidates who are connected with me, right? So they used to send me all those questions, guys, and those questions only I put in the form of this interview question and answer. So you can go through this interview question and answer. It is not costing you more than a pizza or a burger price, okay? You waste your money everywhere, okay? I understand whether you waste or whether you spend it for yourself, but this is also one investment, right? If you are thinking, no, you, if you are, see, hardly 500 600 rupees if you are putting, and if you are getting a job of 15 lpa 20 lpa, right? So it's a good decision, correct? So that is, and my content is pure production oriented, so that is there, guys. Now, even if somebody has some doubts, he is not sure about his career, okay, or he is confused about his career, if you are from non IT, you are from support, or you are from already Linux administration, you wanted to go to DevOps, any, it does not matter, okay? Go to this appointment section, go to this career counseling, you can come over here, right? And you can book a slot, right? You can connect with me at any point of time. You can see these are the slots. Just go ahead and book your slots, right? You can come over here and I'll be connecting with you, right? That is what. And you are not taking guidance from a 5-year experienced person, or who is already spent a good amount of time into IT industry, right? And I have worked with almost 8 organization, guys, and these are not only like one organization. I have worked with product based company also and service based company also. So I have all those, and I got, at last I was withdrawing a good amount of salary. But at the same time, if you need my guidance, it's not only the technical side of it. Every side I can help you out. Whether you have a career gap, what you need to do, right? I have faced most of the challenges. I have my colleagues and who were working with me, what of all those challenges within a company also, there are so many challenges. You can ask me anything, I am happy to help you through this career counseling. If you have a stomach pain, you are going to go to consult to the doctor, not to the engineer, right? So reach out to the right person who can give you the right guidance, who has already gone through that phase, right? So you can, and if you think, again I am telling you, if you are already working in production environment, you know all about how to face a interview and all, then if you wanted to prepare for an interview, right? So you can see live mock interview, AWS interview, right? You just schedule this one. Either I will be taking on someone from my team, they are also expertise of 15 20 years of experience, people are there, they are going to take your mock interview. As of now, I am only taking. Going forward, we'll be giving you the option also, right? And those are the technical, or you can say the resources, who will, you can see for live mock interview and for AWS mock interview or for DevOps mock interview. They are already working professionals, they are already taking interviews, they are going to take your interviews. And if I'll see, normally I used to take only most of the time, but since my schedule will be fully occupied, so there are other resources also, profiles will be there, you can choose and you can go ahead with them for the mock interview. So you will get more confidence, right? What, you know, right? So do you really think every Dhoni used to play, he directly went to the ground and he started hitting sixes? No, boss. You have heard recently Suryavanshi, right? He's from Bihar. Have you heard his story? He used to practice almost 600 balls every day. It's all about practice only. Then only you will get confidence, boss. Nobody born talented. Okay. If you really want to become a good, right, IT engineer, first start learning and practicing. Practice is the key success. You see, right? Everybody say why we say Rahul Dravid is a wall, right? He's the best defender. He's not a hitter. He's the best defender, right? He used to practice a lot how to defend a ball. Same way with the Suryavanshi, if you know, you just go ahead and read his story, right? See how he is coming, how he's traveling from, right, Samastipur to Patna, right, for only for practice, not to play a match, for practice. How much you are putting your effort for the practice? Nobody here is a magician. Abhishek Roshan is not a magician. And this cost, what I am charging from you, see, even somebody will promise you that I am going to give you job. He is a fraud, or you are making yourself a fool, right? It's you only who can do this. There is nobody can help you out. Challenge, open challenge. I have gone through all these phases of my life. Do not think that somebody will come and he'll spoon feed you, he'll give you some magic pills and you are going to become right. One day only you are going to get the job. No, it's not like that. For that, it needs your effort, your practice, your hard work. Somebody is charging for the same thing 10,000 rupees, for 1 lakh, some 50,000. It's all about us, what we wanted to do, right? You have to put your effort. There is no other way, boss. There is no Jack. This is not Jack Sparrow, okay? So please take it seriously. Still, if you are confused, okay? So you need guidance, you can come here. If you want to go for the mock interview, you can go for that one. And since I got so many comments and requests, sir, we cannot join your live interactive batches because of my time schedule. I'm working in Australia, I'm working in Brazil, I'm working in India only, but different time zones I'm working. I know all those things. So for them, I have given another solution. What is the solution? That they can go with my recorded videos. These are the same videos, but these are just recorded videos. They are by their own. That's it. These are the recorded videos. What I said for the live interactive batches, these are the same videos, right? But there is no support for this one, and the same thing you are going to get in your invoice. So what videos do you see here? In videos, if you click, if you want to only wanted to go for Linux and Bash scripting videos, and you can do it by yourself, and then later on you can go come for the mock interview, you can go for the interview question and answer, right? But if you don't have a time, I totally understand everybody cannot join the live interactive batches. So since this request was coming to me since very long, guys, so this is why I have uploaded the videos also, but there is no support for these videos. You are by your own, because I totally believe in live interactive classes. So if you think that you only, so there are, even I used to learn by myself only. Even I have joined in my career also, I have joined so many batches and all, right? Everybody has to learn. At that time, right, I don't ask any question. I used to go through the video, I make my own notes. Still I am making notes. See why I am keeping all these things? You have to write it down with your pen into copy. So there is a, not, this is not something I am giving you, no, you have to do it like this. No, why I am telling you? There is a scientific reason. You have a brain, right? Correct. So your brain has to work out. So when you type something, right, you are reading also. And when you write something, your left and right brain is working for that one. Correct? So it's a scientifically proven, right? When you write something, you are reading also. You are understanding, you are putting your brain is putting effort for that one. So this is why we need to write it down by using pen and copy, make notes, right? This is simple. This is a standard. If you can do it through the system also, you can make a note in the system. You start typing, but make your notes. Copy paste is not the solution. You have to use, you have to make your hands dirty. You know, in IT industry, for a Linux and Bash, those who are working in maintenance and management, we used to say you have to troubleshoot by your own. You have to make your hands dirty. Then only you are going to learn, right? So if you want these videos, just click on this one. It will be redirecting over here, right? You can see the course curriculum over here, right? I'll make first two videos public, okay? Or I will unlock these things so you can go through what I am teaching, okay? But these are just videos, pure my classes videos only. These are videos, you can go through this one. There is not even all the documents what I am giving to my live interactive classes video candidates, I am giving over here. But here there is no live support. There is no live support. This is why this fee difference you are getting over here, right? And these videos are valid only for 1 year, not for 3 years. That is also the other difference. Because ultimately where we are hosting the videos, boss, we have to pay for that one also, right? It is not virtual. Disk space is not virtual, right? It has to be physically exist, right? If I am as a company, if we are investing into this one, right, we are putting all those videos, so it's consuming memory, right? Why AI is now becoming more costlier, you have to understand this one. Why they are laying off, first you need to understand that one. Ultimately it is consuming more memory from your hardware, so they have to buy more hardwares, more memory for AI tools, and it is costing them more than the resources what they are giving them salary. So wait for some time, guys, you will come to know about what is happening. It is consuming more resource. At end of the day, it is going to consume the hardware resources only, whether it's cloud or AI tools. So for that you need money, right? So here also for the videos what I am uploading, it is not somebody, government is not paying me, right? So services what I am providing, I am very transparent with that one. Might be I used to say it very straightforward to you guys. I am not a sugar coating, guys. So I am telling you, for that we are charging it. That's it. Correct? So that will be there. And if you need for AWS, you are going to get it here. For DevOps, it is already available. If you don't have time, you can go ahead with these videos, right? So very in short, very quickly, today I have explained about the portal abroad.com. What is there? Same thing. See here, for the upcoming batches, you can see it over here. For the popular services, you can see it. These are the pure content. These are not the videos. Same thing it is mentioned in the invoice also. Same thing in mentioned in the terms and conditions. Then don't come to us and tell, sir, where are the videos? And plus, you don't read, first of all. We don't read. It's not your problem. We don't read. We don't understand anything. You want everything to be spoon feeding. No, you have to understand. Please understand, we are putting our effort only for you guys, right? We are giving the services. If you want to take the benefit of the services, you have to go through all the things, all our terms and condition, right? What it is there, how it is there, you have to according to that only, right? Correct? It is not the case. So when you are going to go to company, you join a company. I have a simple question to all of you, right? Right? I have a simple question to you, that if you go to if you join an organization, you are going to go through their terms and condition, their policy. Why we don't say no? I am not going to. Who is good? Did client, even it's not only in India, it's in US, in Europe, right? If they are going to onboard you to any of the project, correct? So what they do? So they will ask you to sign a NDA, non-disclosure agreement. Why they are asking? Why they are asking you to go through all their mandatory trainings and all? Those are just simply for no, right? That is for make sure, right? You should go ahead with their terms and condition. If any mistake will be there, millions of dollar loss will be there for them, right? So there we are ready. And if those guys are telling, some candidates are said, sir, recently I got a comment, sir, can you allow me to join these batches and I'll pay you after the placement? I'll ask one question, a counter question to that candidate only who asked this question. Okay, what is that question is there? So simple, I am asking you, if a company is hiring to you, right? A company hire you, right? Once he hires you, he is a service based company. Obviously we know how service based company works. They works on outsourcing, right? Correct. So they have their clients, correct? So their clients are there and you are not assigned to any of the project. You have not assigned to any of the project. You are only in the bench, right? You are in the bench. Now when the first of every month will come, did the company is telling you that I am not going to give you salary because client has been not paid to me? Boss, you cannot clap with one hand. You have to clap with both the hands, right? Every time, see, it's what we are questioning to someone, you should be ready with a counter question also. What we are asking means we wanted to do whatever it's coming to our mind, we wanted to do. No, it's not like that. So everything runs with a ethics, with a value, with a terms and condition for everybody, not for a single, right? So that same thing will be applicable over here. So if suppose we are providing one services, there are resources who are working in my Abroad Technology Service LLP. I'll say to them, no, that candidate told me that he's going to pay me after his placement. So should I know? I'm not going to give you salary. Who is working in Abroad Technology Services LLP, I should say to them, right, that oh no, you should not. I am not going to give you salary because XYZ candidate has not paid his course fee. But everything is directly proportional. And government is not funding to us or anybody is not funding to us. It's our hard effort and everything we are putting for you guys. For that only we are charging prices. For pizza you want to eat, right? But for your career growth, for your education, you don't wanted to put money. Same thing when you go to US and UK for their university to learn, whatever they are going to ask, you are ready to pay. But the same, and those people are coming to me and they are asking, sir, why you are providing these services at a very low cost? So I am telling them, no, it should be. And it is not the case that for US people I am charging different, for India people I am charging different. No. So I am making those prices according to my own people. You are my own people. According to you only we are charging, right? We are running a business, right? Or at the end of the day, a service, correct? So that is there, guys. Everything is directly proportional. Now I'll be going to take some questions from here. Hi sir, I have 3.5 years of a Linux admin relevant experience. Santosh, okay, been 1 month joined HCL, but the role I placed is monitoring, which I am not interested to. No scope. Please advise. Can I switch in 3 months? Is it okay? Santosh, again, okay. So you are telling that you have been 3.5 years of experience, okay, and you have been placed into monitoring team. How much? Okay, again. So here, if I'll tell you something, okay, first I need to understand what sort of a monitoring you are going through. Are you doing some kind of a configuration, installation, or troubleshooting? It's not only that. Monitoring means knock monitoring is something there. So knock monitoring is something, if you are doing knock monitoring, means just rerouting of the ticket. That is service now you are doing. Like suppose some issues happen, so there will be incident raised immediately, and that ticket you need to assign to the right team. Okay, so these things I need to understand from you. Correct, Santosh? So without understanding, see, if I have to know what is problem exactly with this 1 to 3 lines, he just said that a role I am monitoring, which I am not. You are telling you are not interested, right? You are not interested whether what is the scope for this one. But first I need to understand what is the work you are doing over there, right? So entire roles and responsibility, what all skill sets you know. According to that I give you the correct suggestion. It is not the case, right, that oh, you immediately come to you go to a doctor. Sir, I am having a pain over here, I am having a pain over here. So did the doctor immediately going to write a prescription to you? Or you are telling, no sir, I am having a pain over, no no, I am going to give you stomach pills only. Okay, the enterogermina. Okay, I am giving you enterogermina, immediately you will become. Boss, you have to give time to the doctor, right? He has to diagnose you, correct? Without diagnosing a patient, you tell me if he'll give you anything suggestion. If I give you any suggestion to you over here, how come it will become 100% result for you? So I am not like that. My suggestion is that, so what you need to do, you go ahead, and how much it is going to cost you, you come for a career counseling. Means you are not sure about your career, what you are doing, right? You are not sure about your career, Santosh. So you should go for my career counseling. Then I can give you the right suggestion. I am not like that for 1 or 2 minutes. Immediately I'll say it. Oh, Santosh. No, no, boss, you are doing wrong. You are not, you are working wrong. It's not like that, Santosh. Okay. So it's like simple answer is that for this one. So first, for a career counseling, if you have a question related to career counseling, if you are not sure on something, first connect with me. I need to see you some of the parameters. I need to go through all your previous histories. Okay, previous career, what you have been doing. Okay, what all things you know and all. According to that I give suggestions. Random suggestions I never give without understanding a candidate. Okay. Fine. So Shivaji, hello sir, good evening, very good evening Shivaji. Okay sir, during watching videos getting questions, who can support us? So that is what I said, Shivaji. Answer is very simple. As of now there is no support model for this one. Okay, you are going by your own. There is nothing which is hidden. Okay, if you are going, because those videos are very self explanatory. During the class I used to explain so many things. Okay, so if you have a question, so right, we I don't have a feature as of now where we are providing live support to the videos, right? So if that feature will be available in the future, okay, so you are going to get the support. But as of now, there is, because we don't have so many. I am only the one person and there are resources. I am not running 100 people, right? We are not earning that much where you guys are not helping it out. Okay, right, I am trying to give my best, right? So we don't have so many resources with us where we are giving you, right? So if that, but anyways, and I don't want to go with the AI. Okay, that where I just put a AI tool, right, I will be giving answers to you. No, those are the not the right way. Even if you ask questions in my portal also, those are given by the real people. Okay, so for that, as of now, answer for your question is straightforward, nothing is there. Okay, as of now you have to go by your own. What I said, if you are already, you know, right, you can done it by yourself. There are candidates who learn by themselves only, and they can go for the mock interview. You prepare some of the interview question and answer, you go for the mock interview, just see where you are, right? But my videos are very very self explanatory. There are, everything is very clean and transparent explanation will be there. So you have to go through by that. For the videos I'm telling you, for the live interactive classes, for the batches, support is there. Okay, Correct. This is why at the same time you guys are asking, sir, now you tell me guys what you want. Okay. So at sometimes Subham, who is telling, Subham, right? Subham Mali, right? So Subham is telling that, Shivaji, how to go SRE to, okay, I did not understand how to go SRE to receipts. SRE, site reliability engineer, you are telling, right? From SRE to where? DevOps. From SRE to DevOps. Why you wanted to go from SRE to DevOps? That's what I think, Shivaji, right? Shivaji, right? Sagar, something is there, correct? So you wanted to go from SRE to DevOps, right? You are into a good place. You know the site reliability engineer role, okay? It is going to evolve more and more. You need a roadmap for that one, right? So join my career counseling. I'll explain you all the details. Okay, that's what my suggestion is there, Sivaji. Okay, because it's not that if I have to tell you, then I have to tell you mostly about what as a site reliability engineer. Okay, what are the roles and being a DevOps engineer, right? What all things you need to do it, right? There are so many things, but I thought that you'll be going from SRE to write a completely new role, okay? But from SRE to DevOps, okay, I did not understand, right? To make to both of them, see, I cannot immediately I can tell you, no, this role is bad, this role is good. No, or both of them are from operation and management. First, you need to understand this one, okay? And if you wanted to go for a DevOps role, right? Then you need to be expertise with Linux, Bash, AWS, cloud, right? That has to be there. In more detail, if you wanted to understand, then that's what I am telling you. Okay. I can give you more insight of this one once you connect to me through my career counseling appointment. I can guide you better over there. Okay. Because in this live session, I have a very limited time, right? We have already crossed our time for today. Correct. And again, I am telling you guys that whoever wants to join the uh, live batches, for them, right, it is very simple and easy. As I said, right, you have to register to our portal. Please go ahead and register yourself to abros.com, right? To abros.com. Here first register yourself, okay? And then at the bottom, right, see, again, I'm showing you this one, just see here, okay? So here, right, so here you can see, right, this bottom. So don't directly click this one, okay? Don't directly click this one. You see here, right, in this one also I have shown you, right? Don't directly click this one. First register yourself, okay? If you have any query and all, so even I can reach out to you before joining the batch. If you have any doubts, queries, I'll clear your doubts and queries, right? So register yourself and then submit your query, correct? So that is there. But anyways, we have not restricted anybody, but make sure you should, if you're going as a guest also, provide your number. How come suppose today you see, and we are available, the most important thing you need to understand, as I said, right, there is a working timing for my team also, right? They works from 10 a.m to 6 p.m. Since you have commenting 2 a.m in the morning, 3 a.m in the morning, nobody will be available. I said we are not operating with the AI tools. I don't want it to. I wanted to give you genuine answers to my candidates. So this is why we have people, we have our resources. Okay, the team is there. He is going to answer to you. So they will be answering from 10 a.m to 6 p.m. So if you are logging as a guest also, please mention your number. Drop, because once you out of the portal, right? If we are answering, we are not sure when you are coming back, or you are not sure night time, right? Thanks, sir. Your experience sharing will connect. Sure, Shivaji. Okay. Please connect. Don't worry. So my suggestions to you, if you have doubts, see, I know. See, suddenly at 2 a.m. in the morning, right? 11 a.m. in the morning, right? If sorry, 11 a.m. in the night, or early morning, right? 7 a.m. So there is a working time for my team also, right? and I am all not, we are not available, we are not robots, right? 24 hours we are available, right? So please understand that one, correct? So what you need to do, that's what I am telling you over here. See here again, you read this one, the timings and all, right? So submit, you just what you need to do, so you need to come over here, register yourself, okay? And if you are continuing as a guest also, mention your name and drop your mobile number at least. So we'll be answering here only in the portal, but if it's required, then our team will reach out to you if you have a specific concern, okay? We just wanted to sort out your concern, that why if you are going for this, I'm not telling you directly come and join these batches, okay? Hardly 3 days, but you know, I have made it very things, everything very clear. Even I have uploaded previous batches videos, so you will go through and you'll understand what I am teaching, what my content, right? But still, if you have doubts, queries, so come over here, click on this one, registered, okay? At least registered, and then submit your query. And if you don't wanted to do it, continue as a guest, but submit your mobile number. Just tell that this is my mobile number, I have this doubt, please reach out to me. So our team will reach out to you, or I will be reaching out to you if you have a specific query. Okay, that's it. What else we can do it? Okay, we have did everything after listening to so many candidates, came to a conclusion for the fee, for everything, right? Gone with all standards, below than standards we have gone with for the fee and all. Once you go through the projects, because I am not teaching some bookish kind of a thing, right? You have if you go through my content in YouTube channel also, you will come to know I am directly telling you what we work boss in production environment and projects, that's it, right? So I hope guys I have given you for the career counseling for the portal also, abroad.com, right? I am giving you this, and those who wanted to join the batches, they can click on the batches, okay, and go to upcoming batches, right? And they can join the batches, right? So that is what I can say, right? And for Linux, those who wanted to join the Linux live interactive batches, right? They can, one second. I'm just giving the link over here. They can click over here, right? This is for the Linux. This is for the AWS, right? And this is for the DevOps. That's it, guys. Okay, I have given over here the details. You can go through, and the batches is very hardly. I think no more extension will be there now. So those who are going to join, they can join now. Right, that's it, right? And it's hardly 2 days left. Okay, for AWS, for Linux will be from 11th of June, and 12th of June will be your DevOps. 10th of June will be your AWS. Okay, so that will be there. That's it for today, guys. And I request everybody to support me if you really want to support me. If you my content, right? I see most of you are not subscribing to the channel, right? So just see my content, guys. Right? Uh, if your support, see, you cannot clap with one hand. Your support is our motivation. That's it. So I'll be keep uploading new videos for you guys, so you'll understand what sort of content I am having, right? Right. So those who are still not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest notification, right? And let's end up this live session now only. So we'll be connecting to next Sunday for the next live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel. please. So just take care of yourself, your loved ones. Bye bye and Jai Hind.